Welcome to Scoot, an experiential meeting and webinar platform that captivates customers and accelerates sales. Today we'll walk through hosting a successful meeting on Scoot. First, you'll need a Scootaverse, your virtual meeting or webinar space. Make sure you have an active account. On your Scoot homepage, click Create New Scootaverse. You can create one or more rooms depending on the size of your meeting. Click Create New Room to customize your meeting space. Here you'll choose the name, size, music, and background. Scoot offers different room sizes, each with a maximum capacity. Choose the one that best fits your meeting. For large meetings and webinars with over 300 people, you'll need a multi-room Scootaverse. Select a playlist that matches your meeting's vibe. And don't forget to choose a background image or animation. Invite people before or during your meeting. Copy the link and share it however you choose. Email, calendar invites, etc. Remember, join settings determine who can enter. You can even allow guest users without accounts. Once your meeting starts, navigate to the Scootaverse and double-click the room. This brings you to the waiting room. Set up your audio and video and click Enter Room to join. As the host, you can choose to close the room for everyone or leave it open for remaining attendees. Here are some tips for hosting a successful meeting or webinar. Do a practice run. Get familiar with the platform and identify any challenges beforehand. Train team members to navigate rooms and assist attendees as needed. Tell attendees who to contact with questions or issues. This is where super users come in handy. Demo Scoot with them and ask them to sign up in advance. If you encounter any issues, refresh the page and try rejoining. For persistent problems, email us at support@scoot.app or fill out our support form in our help center. A team member will be happy to help. That's all we have for now. By following these steps and best practices, you'll be well on your way to hosting a fantastic meeting on Scoot.